In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Airtable Base ID and use it correctly in your API or integration setup. This is a simple process, but it's an important one, especially if you're connecting Airtable to another tool, building an automation, or working with an API. The base ID is a unique identifier for a specific Airtable base, and using the correct one helps make sure your connection points to exactly the right workspace. First, open Airtable and go to the base you want to use. Make sure you're inside the exact base connected to your project, because if you choose the wrong one, your integration may not work as expected. It's worth taking a moment here to confirm you're in the right place before moving on. Once you're in the correct base, open Airtable's Developer Hub or API documentation area. This is where Airtable provides technical details for working with your bases, including the information needed for integrations and external tools. If you're new to this area, don't worry. You're only looking for one specific detail, and it's easy to spot once you know what to look for. From there, select the base you want from the list. Airtable may show multiple available bases, so be careful to choose the same one you opened earlier. Matching the base correctly is important, especially if you manage several projects with similar names. After selecting the right base, look for the base ID. This is usually a string that begins with app. That prefix is the easiest way to recognize it. The full ID is what you need, so don't stop at the first few characters or copy only part of it. Be sure you're identifying the complete value exactly as shown. Next, copy the full base ID carefully. Accuracy matters here because even one missing or incorrect character can cause an error later when you try to connect Airtable with another platform. A good tip is to paste it somewhere temporary first and quickly double check that it still starts with app and looks complete before using it. Finally, paste that base ID into your API, automation, or integration setup wherever the base identifier is required. This tells the system which Airtable base it should communicate with. Once it's pasted in, you're ready to continue with the rest of your configuration. And that's it. That's how to find your Airtable base ID, copy it safely, and use it in your setup with confidence.